Okay, so we basically have this. So is everything simplified? Can we combine anything? Not really, right? So that's the answer right there. And always make sure you circle or put a square around your answer. So we're going to do another one where we are going to combine terms, okay? So we're going to do, try this. We'll see if you guys remember your negatives times positives and stuff like that. X plus, we'll do 4. Okay, so this is what we have right here, okay? So, first term, x, right? X times x, what does that equal, Hector?
Is it x2?
It is not x2, it's be x squared. But yeah, so with the 2 up there, it means that it's x times x. Okay, so that's what it means, x squared. That's how we do it. And if it's a 3, we say x cubed. But if it goes beyond 3, we say x to the 4. Or the number could be a negative number, so we go x to the minus 5, or whatever it is. Okay. Everyone understand it? Good. Okay, so now we have, now we're going to work on the outside. So we have 4 times x. So that equals, what's that equal, Jeremy? 0? No? Okay, so we got the 4 times the x. So what's that equal? Jimmy? No, okay, so that's going to be 4x. Okay? Okay, now we have this. Now we have the inside. Okay, so we have the negative 3. Remember that negative 3 times a positive x. So that equals negative 3x. Okay? Now we have the outside, or last, the L. So it's negative 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, but it's a negative, so a negative times a positive equals a negative. So it'll be minus 12. Okay? So we have x squared, and then we have like terms here? We got like terms?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So positive 4 minus 3 equals?
Is it 1x?
1x, but okay, we're not going to put the 1x, we're just going to put x.
Oh.
Yeah, and then minus 12. Okay? Later on we'll teach you guys about checking your work by factoring. So it's a cool trick to do. So that's our answer right here. Everyone understand? Good. Yeah? Good. Okay. So now we have that, okay? Now let's try a little bit more complex real quick, and then I'll let you guys work together and go over the worksheets you guys all have. So let's say, I think you guys will probably get all these. Let's try to get one with exponents. So let's say x to the third minus x, and then we're going to times that by x squared plus 2x. So it's a little bit more challenging, but I think you guys will get it. Okay, so now we have x cubed times x to the 2. So we're timesing them. So what do we do with the exponents? If you guys remember?
We add them.
We add them. Good job. So we have x to the 5, right? You guys can all see that, right? Good. Okay, and then we do outside. It's the same thing. Don't be scared about what's going on here. So then we have 2x, and then this has an imaginary 1 right there, right? So we combine them. So 2x to the 4, and then we do the inside. But this is a negative, that's a positive, so we know it's going to be negative. We already know that. So, and then that has an imaginary 1, so we do that times that. So, or we're going to add the exponents. So minus x to the third. And then we have the last. And we know it's going to be negative, so we have negative 2x squared. Okay? Now this is basically what we have right here. And we can't combine any more than that. What's your question? Oh, okay.
Isn't it supposed to be plus x?
Where?
When you multiply negative x1 times x squared?
Ooh. No, no, because we're combining, it's a negative and a positive. So, when we do a negative and a positive combine each other, equals a negative.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions? No? Good. Okay. So we did that, right? And, yeah. We're doing good. Am I doing good on timing?